Hello, how is everyone doing? Today I'm going to show you how to quickly remove friends from Facebook using the same application, whether it's the official Facebook version or the light version. In my case, we're going to test it with the light version. So let's enter here. The usual method that we all know is to enter the Friends section, go to where it says Your Friends, and to remove them, we have to tap on the three dots and then on the button that says Remove this contact. Again, we tap on Remove Friends, and if we notice, this process takes more time because we have to make at least 3 clicks to be able to remove a contact, or in this case, a friend. So for the method I'm going to teach you, you don't need to install any type of application that requires you to enter your Facebook account, since the intention is to steal your account and data. So, to do that, we're going to go to the main screen of Facebook, but before we continue, I invite you to subscribe to the channel where you will find many more tutorials and solutions for Android and PC. Also, don't forget to activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Once we are on the main screen of Facebook, we're going to tap on the 3 lines to open the menu, and we're going to swipe until we get to the option that says Settings. We tap here and again we're going to swipe the screen until we get to the option that says Activity Log. We tap here and again we swipe the screen until we get to where it says Connections. Here, we're going to tap on the drop-down arrow pointing downwards, and we're going to see several options in which we're going to have to tap where it says Added Friends. Here, we're going to see a list with all the friends we have added throughout the use of the application. To quickly remove each one, we're going to tap on the 3 dots that each contact has, or in this case, each row, and we tap on Remove Friends. This way, we save several clicks and we can quickly remove all contacts or some specific ones. Remember that to do this from the phone, there is no much faster option except that you provide your Facebook account to those unofficial applications in which you have to enter your data and then try to remove all contacts at once. If you want to avoid being hacked, this is the fastest and safest method. Unless you have a PC, you can do it from there. So, if you want to know how to do that, leave me a comment and I will gladly make that video for you. Well, this is how we're going to be able to remove each and every one of our friends on Facebook from the phone without having to install unknown applications or enter our account on some strange site. So, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from Balma Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.